High blood pressure is one of the most common diseases and is being called the silent killer. In the long run, chronic high blood pressure, called hypertension, severe complications such as heart attack or stroke can be a cure. Antihypertensive drugs help in high blood pressure, but are not always required. Only changing of lifestyle can lower blood pressure without pills. Everyone should have their blood pressure checked on a regular basis. According to the World Health Organization, hypertension occurs when the systolic blood pressure higher than 140 mm of mercury and diastolic blood pressure over 90 mmHg. If this is the case, it is important to act as soon as possible. It is not allowed to avoid medicines in the case of very high blood pressure. The main cause of high blood pressure is overweight, so we must try to control our weight. Home remedy for high blood pressure.